you, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Y90. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter biometrics and password, and go to lock screen password. Go to change unlock method, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: 6-digit PIN, 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern, and password. Let's select one type of PIN because basically they are the same but with different length. So let's select 4-digit PIN, and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select pattern, also let's use it to unlock the phone, and in the end let's select PIN, I mean password. And again, let's use it to unlock the phone. Once it's done, we can set up fingerprint ID, select unlock device, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the side of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. When it's done, we can use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is face recognition. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.